Is it the right time to buy or sell Super Micro Computer stock? In this video, we will take a deep dive into Super Micro Computer. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, February 12, 2024. Today, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 4, 2024, our system has ranked Super Micro Computer as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, Super Micro Computer has gained an impressive 167.66% since we first recommended buying it 27 days ago. This means that, on average, the stock has delivered a return of 6.21% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. When our system assigns a score of 0, it indicates potential high volatility and risk for the next trading day. With the latest developments, it's difficult to predict the stock's next direction. It could go either way. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend, indicating even stronger growth ahead. We can expect some potential support around the previous trend break at $651.39, which could present a second opportunity for further gains. According to fan theory, there is a potential resistance level at $854.94, which may not be easily surpassed. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 138.05% change in the next 3 months, offering a potential return between 37.91% and 100.6%. In the 12-month trend, we anticipate a 172.48% change, with a potential return between 27.68% and 85.64%. This suggests a price range of $986.97 to $1,434.98 after a year. Our latest update on Super Micro Computer brings an exciting headline: stock price surges 4.42% on Monday. The stock price of Super Micro Computer experienced a remarkable gain of 4.42% on the last trading day, Monday, February 12, 2024. It soared from $740.29 to $773.01, marking a streak of 6 consecutive days of growth. While it's not common for stocks to rise consistently for so long, a temporary dip is expected. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $745.07 and a high of $810, showing a significant 8.71% variation. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 9 instances, resulting in an impressive overall increase of 55.95% in the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume of shares traded increased alongside the price, signaling a positive technical indicator. A total of 6 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total transaction value of approximately $12.86 billion involving 17 million shares. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we find that the highest price reached was $810, while the lowest was $85.61. Currently, the price is 4.57% or $36.99 below the 52-week high, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Susquehanna gave SMCI a negative grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Wedbush gave SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, January 22, 2024, Wedbush gave SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, August 23, 2023, Wedbush gave SMCI a neutral grade with an upgrade action. On Thursday, August 10, 2023, Susquehanna gave SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Super Micro Computer stock a general rating of buy. They consider the PE ratio to be a buying opportunity and also recommend buying based on the price-to-book ratio. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. Today, we'll be discussing Super Microcomputer and the signals that have been identified for its stock. Super Microcomputer's stock is showing positive signs, as both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal. In addition, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, further supporting a positive forecast. It's worth noting that if the stock experiences any downward corrections, it is expected to find support at $688.50 and $435.12. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals may emerge. On Wednesday, January 3, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a remarkable 175.45% increase so far. This suggests that the stock may continue to rise until a new top pivot is reached. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. Furthermore, the rising volume along with the price is considered to be a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there was a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal was observed 28 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal occurred 99 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal was detected 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal was generated 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 40 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average provided a sell signal 29 days ago. The long-term moving average presented a buy signal 41 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 46 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Super Microcomputer. Let's start with support levels. Currently, the stock has accumulated volume support at $681.59 and $663.35, just below today's level. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, Super Microcomputer has additional support just below today's level at $681.59. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $663.35 and $583.50. Moving on to risk, it's worth mentioning that this stock is considered to be very high risk due to its high volatility. It has the potential to experience significant movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band also indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. To put things into perspective, let's take a look at the stock's recent performance. In the last day, it had a price range of $64.93 or 8.71% between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 7.33%. Before we get into the potential trading levels for Super Microcomputer, let's quickly discuss some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors have high expectations for future growth. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is expected to be released on May 07, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings are at $5.62. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be diving into potential day trading levels for Super Microcomputer. When it comes to resistance, there's no significant hurdle from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock could make a swift upward move. Keep an eye on the volume to determine when it might be a good time to exit your position. On the downside, Super Microcomputer encounters its first support level at $681.59. If this support level holds, it could present an excellent entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Super Microcomputer has a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On February 5, 2024, KAO George made an insider purchase of 4,200 shares of common stock. On February 5, 2024, KAO George conducted an insider sell-off of 1,608 shares of common stock. On February 5, 2024, KAO George conducted an insider sell-off of 4,200 shares of employee stock option, right to buy. On February 1, 2024, Fairfax Daniel W. sold 300 shares of common stock. On February 1, 2024, Chan Shu Liang bought 2,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 28.893. In total, insiders purchased 515,263 shares and sold 258,867 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $749.51, which is a decrease of 3.04%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, resulting in a higher level of risk. The RSI 14 is currently at 98, indicating a substantial increase in risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom identified 27 days ago. Is Super Microcomputer stock a good buy? While Super Microcomputer holds several positive signals, we don't believe they are enough to consider it a buy candidate at this time. It would be more appropriate to hold or accumulate this position while awaiting further development. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of the last trading day and have determined that the current price of Super Microcomputer stock is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, February 13th, we anticipate that Super Microcomputer will open up $3.02 and start trading at $776.03. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. We hope you have successful trading and a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at StockInvest.